guys, it's Mickey Chief back in a couple with another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys hit that post notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. Now in this video I will be showing you guys two things, the two ways that I got from off AliExpress, and I will show you guys how to do the cut in your eyebrows. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys turn on the post notifications so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. And for my new subscribers, hey bitch, and for my return subscribers, hey, welcome back to my channel. And don't forget, hey, welcome back to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and I will leave that in the descriptions down below. Now I ain't even going to you guys full. I'm gonna get straight into this video that I got from off AliExpress. Okay, now this one is basically like a wig, but it had this on it. This is what it looks like in the inside. So all you have to do is just put it on and go. And this one is 14-inch. Smells really nice, and I can easily run my hand through the hair. It's really nice. It don't really have a smell. So this is how it looks. And this is the water wave or with the deep wave one. It's on the app on AliExpress. I forgot that. I think this is yeah, this I think this loose wave. Yes, I think this. I didn't mean to say water wave for deep wave.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
It's soft. Doesn't smell. So this is how this look. And I'm sorry, my mistake. It was deep wave.
Stupid.
This is 16-inch deep weave. And this the little baggie it comes in. This little baggie it comes in. And it gives me, you know, my own little headband, but I don't think I'm gonna wear this one. I don't like it. And I have some more headbands that'll go with it. I'll wear this one because I like this one. I'll wear this one too. I like this one. This color is cool. It's cool. This one is too colorful. Like a rainbow threw up on it. Huh? It's okay. But I wouldn't wear it. And we have this one. These are all headbands, by the way, that I'm showing you guys. And we have this one. I ain't gonna hold you guys for it. I'm gonna get straight into this next thing I was going to do in my video. So I'll be right back, and I will hold on, doo-doo. Got her rushing in. And you see this color? Yes. But I'm not even gonna hold you guys for it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make that slit in your guys' eyebrows. So yes, let's just get to it. Okay, so what you guys will want to do, take your concealer and eyebrow pencil and just get a little bit of concealer out. You don't need this all the much you need. You don't need a lot. And just put it on the tip of your eyebrow pencil. It's all the much you need. See that? And just
AJ, come here. I gotta show you something real quick. Come on, hurry up. What's wrong with you? Your stomach hurt? Come on, get up.
see that? Ew. That's all you need. And I'm just... And it's basically all you need just to make that little slit in your eyebrow. You see that? That's all you need. Or if you know how some people had a little slit up there, you do the same what you did for this little corner and you just put it right up here some. So let me show you guys how it will look. And you see that? See, it's like how is a little slit to the front of my to the beginning, or to like right here towards my nose. People had that little slit, or you can file through it from the side, and yours still had a slit. See that? Ow! Or some people even have 2 little slits right there. You want to see what that look like with 2 little slits?
And just make sure you don't take the remote to the back, cause that shit gonna get lost.
Alright, you want me to hurry up, dude? Alright, I'm ready to get your remote. Alright, so my nephew's crying, so I'm gonna just go ahead and end this video. Why you do that? I heard a man in the background. Alright, I'm gonna just get straight. I'm gonna just, go ahead, because he a little irky. I'm trying to make my video. But yes, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below what else y'all guys want to see next. And this is basically, how you get the slits in your eyes. And that's basically how it is. This is basically how you do it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notifications so you guys don't miss out on any videos that I post. And again, my new subscribers, hey, welcome to my channel. And my old subscribers, hey, welcome back to my channel. And follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it in the description down below. And again, stay tuned for the next video I post, because I'm gonna come back each and every time with a banger. Alright, you guys, me with you gang.
Okay, bye.